trying to develop so-called smart windows. So what we were thinking is a simple solution is something like the blinds. So you turn down the blinds and block the sunlight. You're stretching a material and you turn on and off the change of the transparency. The material we're actually making is very, very simple. It's a silicon nanoparticle arranged into order structures. So we use this as our optical components. So you have this color, but now we introduce a second component, which is a silicon. So we're stretching this composite material. Silicon, as you know, is very rubbery. You can stretch them many different percentages, but silica doesn't move. So in this case, we actually create air pockets between the silica and silicon, and all of a sudden you started to display your original color change and the transparency change. The whole idea is changing the color or changing the transparency. So obvious use is for the windows, but window is a very broad term. So it could be used for the buildings, could be actually used for the display, for example, your computers, your touch sensors. That's one application. And the other thing, we're actually working with professors in the electrical engineering and medical schools, and whether we can use this as a sensor for example, the babies to detect any kinds of disease. We can do many different kinds of material. Again, coming back to the question is, what does the market need? What we are doing right now is looking at the material point of view, so it's a proof of concept. But if you want to take the material to the market, you have to consider a lot of layers. So having people from different backgrounds and bouncing ideas together, I think it's very helpful, very useful.